I am aware of the 2012 Nigeria flood, but I will not forget 2022 Nigeria flood because it was the worst flood our country has ever witnessed. We witnessed helplessness, displacements, hunger, deaths, and the blame game. The causes and the components that instigated the manifestations of heavy flooding in Nigeria are well known to us. The truth is, we rarely do the right thing at the right time. Without a tremendous push, we will never do the right thing. We shall keep postponing the right thing to do until we are coerced to do it. Destruction is a law of God. We will never improve rapidly without destructive calamities. Our environment needs to be taken to cinderings so that it will be reborn and regenerated. The Almighty God wants to chastise our pride and make us realize how vulnerable we are. We regard flood-related inflictions as calamities because of the deaths, destruction of properties, and losses they cause us. Natural disasters will help us accomplish in a few years what would have otherwise taken centuries to accomplish. The floods have retreated. We should all learn to do the right thing so that the flood will not return again with added interest.